What happens to your body when you do stomach vacuum every day? Experts say that it's impossible to burn fat in specific part of your body. For example, the belly fat. Yes, it's true, but there is one secret. You can still slim your waistline with one specific tricky exercise. And that exercise is called the vacuum. It will really help you to reduce your waist size so that your stomach will tone up. What will happen to your body if you do the stomach vacuum every day? In this video, I'll answer this question. So, watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. The stomach vacuum is a special exercise that has its roots in ancient yoga, but today this exercise has received a new life, and now vacuum is becoming popular. The fact is that the transverse muscle of abdomen is a natural athletic belt. In people who don't practice vacuum, the transverse muscle is weak, and therefore the stomach of such people hangs limply. But, if you practice this exercise, the transverse muscle comes into tone, becomes elastic, and the stomach looks much better. Doing the stomach vacuum is a great way to strengthen your abs, give them a toned look, as well as protect internal organs and fix posture. The peculiarity of this exercise is that you work out not only the external muscles of the abdomen, which you can pump up with other exercises, but also the deep muscles of the abdomen. You also work out the transverse muscle of the abdomen. A good benefit of this exercise is that it doesn't require any special equipment. The stomach vacuum exercise also has a beneficial effect on the digestive system. Vacuum improves the work of the gastrointestinal tract. Stomach vacuum solves problems with irritable bowel syndrome, bloating, and poor digestion. The work of the lymphatic system improves because the movement of the lymph directly depends on the work of the muscles. And, of course, blood circulation improves because the vacuum gives a special blood flow to the abdomen, and also the lesser pelvis, which significantly improves the functioning of the organs in this area. How to do the stomach vacuum exercise properly? First, take a starting position. There may be several. All beginners are definitely recommended to start in a kneeling position with their hands on the floor. This allows you to relax the abdominal muscles as much as possible. A little more experienced people can take a different position. Sit on your knees, slightly tilt your body forward and rest your hands on the floor or on your knees. It's necessary to rest your hands because this allows you to relax the stomach in order to better feel the movements. More advanced people can do this exercise while standing, without leaning on anything. So, start breathing slowly and deeply. Then take a very deep breath in and a very deep breath out. Then pull in your stomach. Try to hold this state for a few seconds. You shouldn't keep it until the dark in your eyes. Excessive hypoxia won't do you any good. It's necessary to perform about 5-10 sets with small breaks in between. If you find it difficult to perform this exercise, then there is another position. Lying on your back, bend your knees and do everything in the same way. You shouldn't immediately go to a standing position. Nothing good will come out of it. You must learn how to relax the stomach, effectively retract it, using the internal muscles, which in ordinary life and in ordinary training are not involved. How often and what time should you do the stomach vacuums? The main recommendation is that it should be done in the morning on an empty stomach. Thus, you will get the maximum effect. I recommend doing this exercise no more than once a day and maybe even every other day. Of course, the best solution would be to combine a vacuum and a set of exercises for the abs. This will give the effect of synergy and will be the most effective approach. So, if you want to reduce your waist size, fix your posture, relieve stress, increase your lung capacity, and also work out your abs to look healthier and better, and at the same time improve the blood supply to the internal organs, then doing stomach vacuum regular is what you need. By the way, friends, be sure to watch the other fitness videos on this channel. Link is on the screen right now, and also write in the comments, have you ever made a stomach vacuum? Or maybe you are going to start doing it? If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe to my channel.